We know everybody loves water parks, but we wonder some of the things that go into making them. Our group visited the Aquatic Development Group and got to see some of the behind the scenes on how water parks are made. They have helped complete water parks like Smoky Mountain in Tennessee, Great Escape in Lake George, New York, Aquatopia Water Park in Taylorsville, Pennsylvania, and many more, some even deserving award-winning titles. Not only does ADG build water parks, they also make amazing mountain coasters. They have mountain coasters in Killington, Vermont, Lake Placid, New York, and some even in Colorado. But what are mountain coasters?
Essentially, it's a gravity-fed roller coaster. You have your own cart and you have your own brake, so you can control the speed.
Now, let's hear some more from some ADG workers.
I'm a welder fabricator and/or field installation technician. I get to be a little creative, and it's not a regular 9-to-5 kind of job that makes you sit in an office all day. I can actually do stuff with my hands and be active.
I do estimating, production planning, and cost analysis. It's different every day. There's always something new going on. It's challenging. I really enjoy working in manufacturing.
And we're coming up with new ideas every day, new clients and new opportunities, so it's a very creative place to work.
Not only is working at ADG amazing, so is the culture they have created. And here's what the employees have to say about it.
Very small family kind of atmosphere, small group. I've worked with most of the people I've worked with for 15 years now.
Great group of people that are motivated, creative, and really intelligent in their trade.
Group of 15 or 20 employees that all kind of work together to make things happen.
As you can see, the Aquatic Development Group is not only a great place to work, but it is dedicated and committed to developing a great community and effective, efficient, and fun water park equipment. Thank you to ADG for hosting us and letting us experience the amazing environment. Special thanks to Lauren for organizing our visit.